In this video we're going to show you how to reset the service reminder on a Mercedes. Here we have a 2014 Mercedes GLK. This procedure definitely works on the older, like the 2010 GLKs with a slightly different steering wheel. The same procedure applies to those as well, and also my work on other models as well, like such as the C-Class. But what you want to do is, once you get in the vehicle, if you have a key, you'll insert it into the ignition. Do not press the brake pedal. Turn the key one click. So at that point, you're gonna see just the lights, the background lights for the instrument cluster. You do not want to go 2 clicks where you see brakes, ABS, and everything else. You don't want to go there, and definitely do not start the engine. So that, again, insert key, 1 click. This is where you want to be. If you have a push start button like we do in this case, if you have that, you don't need to pull that off. Do not press the brakes. Just press that once as soon as you get into the vehicle, and that powers up the vehicle. It does not. That's position 1 and the ignition or accessory on. This is where you want to be. If you go to position 2 where all the dash lights are on, this procedure might not work. So once you get here on the steering wheel, on the left side here, press the left button and you will see trip and miles. And once you see that trip and miles, then you want to press on the right side of the steering wheel, you want to press the phone button, and 1 second later you want to press OK, and then hold them together. So again, let's press left arrow to display trip and miles, phone, then OK. Then we keep this pressed. We continue to keep this pressed, and then here we're going to see vehicle data and sys plus, and we'll press OK here, and then we'll scroll down to full service, press OK again. We're doing this with all the buttons on the left of the steering wheel. Here, scroll down to the bottom, confirm full service, press OK. Here you select the oil grade that you used, and you just want to make sure that you're using the recommended oil as noted in the owner's manual. And then service carried out, press yes, press OK. Then scroll down here. It's instead of selecting cancel, scroll down to select confirm, then press OK again. And full service carried out, and it's all done on with the buttons on the left of the steering wheel. And that's it. Pretty simple. Thank you for watching.